All right, if you're new to Google Gmail account and this video is for you, I just logged into my account and then my account looks pretty boring. So if I want to change the theme and style and look and feel, what I could do is once you get into the email, you'll go to the setting icon right here, click on that, and you could change the density. By default, it's default, which is this color, and you can change the text by changing whatever your preference are. You just click on that and it changes the text for you. And then no, I also want to change the theme, then just click on the theme, and then once you click on it, the background will also change for you, right? It's applying right now. Let's say I like this one, I click on that, and then it should, the whole Gmail background should change for me like this, as you can see. Okay, this one looks okay. Let me change it to other one. You can always pick. And then here, this is a text background. Right now it's light. I want to see dark. You can just click on that. Then your whole text inbox will change to dark theme. And then this one is slider to make corners darker. Right, the background you could make it more darker if you like, or the light. It's your preference. And then this one, it's the blur. If you want to blur your image, if you play around with this, it'll blur the image on the background for you. All right, I like the default. It's good. I'll just save it, and then going forward, my email will like look like this. And then these are the folders, as you know. This is your inbox.